Do people use the word skin barrier and you're like, okay, what is the skin barrier and what does it do? Because I'm not quite sure. Well, it's the fancy name for saying it is the covering of the skin that actually sits on the skin and keeps the skin protecting us at all times. This barrier, as we call it, has a very fine balance, and the balance of the barrier allows it to either have things penetrate or not penetrate, depending on how dehydrated the skin is, how dry it is, and how prepped it is for what's going to come into the skin or what's going to stay out of the skin. The healthier your skin is, if you look at really healthy skin, and younger skin will be a tighter weave and you won't see as many gaps in almost like a net look of effect. Whereas the older we get, the skin starts to get a little saggier, it gets a little more gravity, and we start to see that things are forming. This skin barrier is what protects us, and so we need to keep it as healthy as possible so that we don't let germs in. Also, so we look younger, like we're in the glow of our youth of 60 something. So we stay looking young because our skin barrier is in good shape. So when people talk about keeping the skin barrier in good shape, that's what they mean.